Hello children, how are you? I am Priyanka Goyal, your teacher, and I am back again with the second chapter of Geography of class 7. The name of the chapter is Inside Our Earth. In this chapter, we will include three topics. The first topic is Interior of the Earth. Under this, I will teach you the different layers of the Earth. And the second, types of the rocks. In this topic, I will teach you about the igneous rock, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. And thirdly, I will teach you about the different minerals we found on the earth. Okay, start with the first topic, interior of the earth. Our earth, what is inside our earth? What things are inside our earth and how it is made up of? Before I tell you what is inside our earth, let's try to know how the earth was created. Millions years ago, when nothing was there, no star was there, no moon was there, no universe was there, only single power was there, and this single power turned into a small point. It turned into a matter, and that matter started becoming bigger and bigger, and that is how universe was created. And afterwards our planets were created. That is how our earth was created after Big Bang. Initially the earth was so hot that it was in a molten form. It was totally in a molten liquid form. And what happened then? The heavy things settled down in the bottom, that is the inside layer, and the heavy things came up. So that is how earth was created. Gradually, slowly, these molten earth started cooling down. After that, different layers of the earth was created. Today we will study about the different layers of the earth. That I will teach you through a simple diagram. This is the outermost layer of the earth, that is called crust. This is the outer layer of the crust. Majorly we will divide the different layers of the earth into three parts. First layer is the crust, second layer is mantle, middle layer, and the third layer, the innermost layer, is core. So let's study about crust. This is the thinnest layer among all other layers of the earth. This is the thinnest and outermost layer of the earth. So children, crust is that part of the land where we are standing. We are standing on the crust. The depth of the crust is 35 kilometer. Crust is again divided into two parts, outer crust and inner crust. So outer crust is 35 kilometer deep, means if we dig 35 kilometers, we will cross the outer crust, that is continental crust. And after digging 35 kilometer, if we go inside 5 more kilometer, then we will go in the inner crust, that is oceanic crust. So our crust, the outer layer, is extend to the 35 kilometer on continental masses, and it is after passing the continental masses, if we go inside 5 kilometer more, means after 40 kilometer of outer crust, there is a ocean floors. So 35 plus 5 kilometer is the crust area, is the crust area, it is divided into two parts, outer crust and the inner crust. Outer crust is a continental masses and inner crust, that is 5 kilometer, it is oceanic crust. Okay, now continent crust is given name Sial. Sial. Yes, we call Sial to this outer crust. And why it is so? Because the minerals silica and aluminum, because these continental masses, the outer crust, that is continental masses, continental crust consists of which minerals? Silica and alumina. So we have taken Si from silica, Al from alumina. So it is given name Cr. This is name given to the outer crust. Now another name given to the oceanic crust, that is inner crust, is Sima. Why so? Because here the minerals silica and the magnesium, these two minerals are found on this oceanic crust. So Si from silica, Ma from magnesium. So the name is given Sima to the inner crust. Okay, and this crust area, this layer forms 1% of the total volume of the earth. I repeat, the crust, the outer layer, that is crust, is only 1% of the total volume of the earth. Okay, I hope you understood the first layer. Now come to the second layer, that is mantle. This is the second layer or middle layer of the earth. It is called mantle. The depth is 29 kilometer. It means after crossing the 40 kilometers from the crust, if we go inside 2900 kilometers inside the earth, we get second layer, mantle. So just beneath the crust, here till here, from here to here, crust was there, and beneath this crust, second layer, mantle, we get mantle, the second layer, and the depth of this second layer is 2900 kilometer, and this consists 84% of the total volume of the earth. The outer layer is just 1% of the total volume, and this second layer is 84% of the total volume of the earth. And the third and innermost layer is core. This is the innermost, the third layer, core. The diameter of this core from the center, the radius of this core is 35 kilometer, 3500 kilometer. This radius is 3500 kilometer. Okay, and this is 15%. 1% crust area, 84% second layer, that is mantle, total is 85, and the remaining 15% is the third layer, that is called core. Core is the innermost layer and it has radius about 3500 kilometer. And what minerals we found here in the innermost layer, that is called core? Nickel and the iron. We get which minerals? We get nickel and iron. So because of nickel and iron are found in this third layer. The name is given Nephi. Nephi name is given to the core. The central core has very high temperature and pressure. The inside of the earth, the innermost layer, that is core, it has very high temperature and the pressure. So children, I hope you understood about the all three layers of the earth. The outer layer, that is crust, and the second layer is mantle, and the third layer and the innermost layer is core. So I taught you today about the all three layers of the earth. I hope you understood well. I will teach you the next topic, that is types of rock, in my next session. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day.